You guys, we have a robin's nest on our porch, and it is just outside the door. And there's the mama, and she is sitting on her nest, and I'm pretty sure that there's some babies in there. And we've got two birds flying around. So one's the mama bird, and the other one is the daddy bird. Now, I've stood back pretty far because I don't want to disturb them, but they are not. And see, there's the mama bird. I think that's the mama bird, and the other one is the daddy bird. They do not want me anywhere near that nest, and I don't blame them. But I am going to go check the babies out, and I'm going to do it very, very carefully. Now, both the male and female robins will tend to the baby birds. And I think what's going to happen is that the female is going to go off and she's going to make another nest. And then the male bird will end up taking care of the baby birds. But they are very protective right now. And again, I'm very far away. I've got a really good zoom on this camera. So, yeah, let's go look at the babies, but really, really carefully.